Hello everyone, welcome back to Electrical Problem Solve. Today we are completing a critical earthing pit repair in an industrial site. This is not a simple cosmetic fix, we are restoring the safety path for fault current and lightning discharge. The condition we found. This earthing pit is a boring type, 120 feet deep. The main grounding conductor is a 95 Rm copper round conductor. Because the pit remained buried under soil and sand for many years, corrosion developed on the cable surface. The conductor was still connected, but physically it was unsafe. Rust on copper increases resistance, reduces conductivity, and can fail when high surge current flows. In many industrial failures, the earthing resistance may look okay, but mechanical degradation silently weakens the system. And that is even more dangerous, because you trust a system that cannot protect you. Technical inspection. We started a full inspection. First, we checked physical continuity, the cable was intact but weak. Second, we examined the lug, nut, and bolt, the metal surface showed oxidation. Third, we verified if there was any extra stress, bending, or moisture trapped around the joint. In our case, the copper conductor was partially corroded and the extra tail length was unnecessary. We decided to remove the damaged section completely. Cutting and surface preparation. Using a grinding machine, we cut the corroded portion. Then we manually cleaned the copper surface, sanding, brushing, and polishing until the conductor became shiny and bright. This step is extremely important. Lightning discharge and fault current require a clean metallic contact area. Any oxidation layer introduces resistance and heat. New joint installation. After surface preparation, we installed a brand new copper lug. We tightened the joint using a fresh nut and bolt set. The conductor was mounted to the earthing busbar securely, no loose play, no movement. A mechanical joint must always be press tight. If not, micro sparks will happen during heavy current flow. This can burn the lug, damage the conductor, or even melt insulation. We also checked the continuity from the lightning arrestor down to the earthing pit. The grounding path must be single, solid, and uninterrupted. Importance of regular earthing maintenance. Earthing pits should never be ignored. Even if the resistance value is good, humidity, soil movement, vibration, chemical reaction, and rust can slowly destroy the system. Lightning does not warn you. Fault current does not wait for your engineers. Your protection will only work if the path to ground is clean, strong, and reliable. So always maintain your earthing system. Inspect physically, measure resistance, check mechanical joints, verify lugs, and replace damaged components. Because proper grounding is not optional. It protects machines, panels, MCC, VCB, transformers, operators, and human life. This is Electrical Problem Solve, practical work, real results, real safety.